Let's get right into the making of a hyper-realistic Knorr seasoning cube cake. Okay, so we used that 8x8 pan to bake it. Then we divided it into 4 and layered it on top of each other. We inserted our dowel rod through the middle. You can see the hole there. And then we crumb coated our cake. We placed it on top of our fondant. We flattened it in a rectangle form. You can try 14x25. I prefer to flatten in excess so that I'll just cut off. I prefer to err on the part of surplusage than for it not to be enough. Okay, seal that joining, cut off your excess. Don't forget that your fondant will be thin. It's going to be flat, very, very flat. That is what will help the folding of the edges, the two edges. You can see how I just folded it. I'm going to do it again. You just fold the two ends in and then the other ends out. You fold it in too. You seal it with your edible glue. You're going to use your edible glue to fortify it, to secure the ends. Then you paint your edges, not the whole cake, your edges with silver luster dust. We already know how to make our luster dust. Your luster dust comes in powdered form. You add edible